Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can become a co-host on Airbnb. So for that you will have to ask someone else who has a listing or a live listing on Airbnb that you want to become a co-host, and only they will be able to invite you and make you a co-host. So if your friend has a listing, or if you have a listing and you want your friends to become co-host, then you need to hit up to listings and select the listing you want to update, then tap on the co-host and tap on invite a friend, and you will be able to add your friends using their email address and click on invite. You can add up to 3 co-hosts per listing, and make sure that your listing is live before you add someone as co-host. So these are the terms and conditions for becoming a co-host. I hope this information was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.